A junior accountant noticed the numbers didn't add up. Her manager was stealing thousands from the company. She could have stayed quiet, kept her head down, protected her career. Instead, she spent sleepless nights researching company policies and documenting every suspicious transaction. For 3 months, she quietly built her case. Screenshots, paper trails, time-stamped evidence. When she finally reported it through proper channels, the retaliation was swift. Colleagues avoided her. Her workload doubled. She was excluded from meetings, but she had done her homework. Every piece of evidence was bulletproof. The investigation took 6 months. Her manager was fired and faced criminal charges. The company promoted her to head of compliance. Today, she protects other employees from the same impossible choice she faced. People ask her if it was worth the risk. She says, "I could have saved my job for a year. Instead, I saved my integrity for a lifetime." One decision changed everything, not because courage is always rewarded, but because living with yourself matters more than living comfortably.